How to find minimum of given two numbers in Python. There are two ways in which you can find the minimum of given two numbers. The first approach is to use min built-in function, which takes two or more values as arguments and returns the minimum value. Pass given numbers, a and b, to the min function as arguments, and it returns the minimum value.
The second approach is to use conditional or ternary operator, where we assign a if value in a is less than that of in b, else we assign with the value in b. Now let us see an example for each of these approaches.
Python program to find minimum of two numbers using min built-in function. Take two numbers in variables a and b. Call min built-in function and pass a and b as arguments. The function returns the minimum value. Assign the returned value to a variable. Print the minimum value to output using print function. Save and run the program. Of the two given numbers, 10 is the minimum value, which has been printed to the output.
Python program to find minimum of two numbers using conditional or ternary operator. We assign the minimum value with a if value in a is less than that of in b, else we assign with the value in b. Save and run the program. Of the two given numbers, 10 is the minimum value which has been printed to the output. Concluding this video, we have seen how to find the minimum of given two numbers in Python using min built-in function and conditional or ternary operator. Thank you for watching the video. Please give the video a like and subscribe to our channel.